Hello everyone. So today I have a gift for you. I want to offer you a free sales page. That's it. I mean, it's 30, there are about 30 sections. So it's a sales page that you can, of course, customize to your own needs. So basically I created this sales page to sell an online course, but you can use it for something else. So what we will do together today is I want to show you the sales page, then I will show you how you can adapt it to your own needs, and if you want to receive it for free, you just send me a message and I will give you access to that free sales page. So this is what it looks like. So I will scroll down. So this is the header. These here, as you can see, there's a gallery with different pictures. Everything is in Lorem Ipsum, but of course you can change that very easily. Here you describe your services. This is a testimonial, and this is how we can help you, why it's useful for you, and this is the introduction to your course or to your product, and this is the content of your product. I will show you how you can remove these pictures and integrate your pictures as you want. Then you have the different section of the course. So that's part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4, and now you can enroll. Then you have an iframe here with so it's basically I chose the Rewind marketing agency, just like that. Then you have the guarantee, the coach, so how we can work together. Then again a testimonial, and the bonus. So you have a support group, for instance, a workbook, a free month of subscription. Then you have again testimonials, and here you have a small video, and here you have the payment plans, so how people can subscribe, and introducing the team, who is part of your team. So here you have one person, Melissa and Sarah, and then here you have how you can study at your own pace. By the end of this program you will be able to have this and this. Enroll now. Then you have a guarantee, 15 days guarantee, risk-free. Again, this is the online course. This is what you will be able to achieve. Again, the pricing, the FAQs. If people have questions, you just click here and you have all the different questions here that are answered, people who bought the course, and you have the footer. So this is exactly what you can get for free if you want to sell online courses. The reason I'm doing that is because we are working with many people like you, with many founders, entrepreneurs, freelancers, and small agency owners, and we see that you are spending a lot of time creating these sales pages, and we want to help you accelerate the process of going to market with your products, actually, instead of spending a lot of time in all these marketing stuff. And we realized after creating and advising and helping so many founders and creating ourselves, I'm a serial entrepreneur who created several companies, that the biggest problem people face is the I mean, the way they go to market is really too long. What you should do is really to test the market quite quickly, and even with test products, prototypes, that you can test the market and see after doing research if there's enough interest for what you're selling. And yeah, that's about it. So if you have questions, of course, regarding that part of the business, I'm happy to help. So what you will get is actually directly access to the template in this platform, and this platform is called Showit. And Showit is probably one of the easiest platform that you can get on the market, I think, to create and customize your sales pages, your landing pages, your websites, you name it. And I call it, it's a bit like the Canva of the, the way you, the web design platforms. So what I really like about it is that you can drag and drop things very easily. So I want to take a few minutes with you here to explain how you can customize everything here. And if you want to have access to your free sales page, you will have access to a more detailed course where I explain everything, where you can, change your pictures, but also integrate galleries and all of that. And you will be part of our community where you will have access to other resources. And if you have questions, we will be here to help you to do some changes here. So let me just take a few minutes to show you how you can change pictures or how you can change the text. So here I have grids. So let's say that I do not want to see the grids at all. So what people see is exactly what is in the frame that you see here. And if you want to change the text, as you can see, when I hover with my mouse, I have blue squares. So when I have a blue square, I double click on the square here, and I have that clicking arrow, and it means that I can do whatever changes I want. So instead of Nemo, I just write hello. And what I do is then I click on the square here, and I publish everything here. It's all saved, and then I can change, everything I want. So let's say that I would like to change the color of this stuff here. So now for this template, the colors that are in the system is here. So what you can do, that's why I call it the Canva of the landing pages or web design, is because it's the same kind of principle. What you do is, if you want to change, the main colors of your entire landing page, instead of changing and updating each page or each section, you just change your color palette here. And if, for instance, if I want to change that color and switch it to blue, instead of going everywhere where there's exactly that color, I change it here once, and it will update the entire website or the entire landing page. So this is super useful. And that's exactly the same for the fonts. If you do not like that font, for instance, here we have Railway normal for the titles, and for the subheading we have Roboto, and for paragraph we have Molish. If you want to change that, you just change your font here, you change it once, you update it, and it will update the font everywhere on the website. So this is something important that you should know. And if you want to add another font here that is free, you have access to, you know, Google Fonts that are absolutely free for you. Or if you bought fonts, you can upload them here, and you can then integrate them into your landing page or your website. So now let's go back here, and let's say that I want to change that color, and I want it to be more, you know, like that number 3 color. I just click once and it's done. Or if I have the EXA code, you can integrate your EXA code here. Or if you just do not want to have that red, but you want a more beige color, then you can just click here. So it's very, you know, it's drag and drop and click. And yeah, it's really a plug and play kind of template. So now I have a gallery here. So I have different pictures that are, you remember when I was scrolling, you have one picture that stays, each one is remaining for 3 seconds, and I can add pictures, I can change them. Let's say that, let me show you, let's say that I want to add this one. I click here, I save it, and I will have it integrated in the template. And now if I want to swap that image, I click on swap image here. You click twice on the image and you land in your library where you have all your images. So, and it's directly, you know, it fits directly the format. You do not have to do anything else to basically to change your pictures. So now if you want to, instead of having a rounded picture here, you decided that you want to have another format, you can make it square if you prefer. So you see how easy it is. You can just click here and it will adapt exactly to the format that you have decided. So just to show you the way it works, it's like a book. So you have everything on the left-hand side are the pages. So this is one page, so this is the sales page. And then you have all the sections of the pages of the, you know, that page that are included here. And these are the 30 sections. Then if you want to go into detail into what is the formatting of a specific section, like this one, it's on the right hand side. So you think like different layers, landing page or sales page are made of different layers, and you can adapt it accordingly. And if you want to change the text here, you can change the text by clicking twice on the blue section, and you can change the formatting, or you can make it bigger if you think that it's not big enough. You can, you know, we can integrate that with a 16 pixel, for instance. And I like to work with all the columns, so I can show you the way I work usually when I create these pages to make sure that everything is really centered. I have all the grids, and then I think that the line height is a bit too big, so I can, you know, make it a bit smaller or bigger. It's really the way you want. So what else can I show you here? I have a picture in the background that is in parallax, so that means that when I scroll, I have the image that is remaining on the background and is actually it's moving at the same time as the text, so that's really nice. So now, as I showed you later, if you want to change these pictures, you can just, the same as before, you can just go on your media library, and you will have access to all the pictures that you downloaded on your platform. And here you have the different sections with part 1 of the program, part 2 of the program, and then you can enroll. Here you have the text of the iframe. If you want to update it, you click twice on that iframe here, and you can just change the text here. You just, type whatever you want, you save it, and then you will have the iframe that will be automatically updated on your sales page here. Here you have all the free resources. This is integrated in the sales page if you want to keep it. These are all the testimonials. And here you have the video or the small GIF. So now it's looping here and it's in the middle center. I have opacity. I can make it, clear or darker. It depends what you prefer. And then whatever the changes you are making on this type of landing page or website, do not forget to publish every time you are doing or modifying something, so that you do not lose what you've modified. And that's it. Everything is done here already. You basically have to, you can launch your course or your online product, your digital product next week if you want, with that kind of thing, because it's so convenient to have it here. So listen, if you are interested to have that free landing page, I have a link under this video. You can just send me a message and I will invite you to our community and send you the link to install your own sales page, and you will have access to the course. And if you have questions, I will be there to help you. All right, so I hope that it was helpful for you, and I'm looking forward to getting to know you very soon if you are interested to receive that gift.